If you're looking for some assistance and advice on your own financial goals and investments, our next guest might be able to help.
Good morning. It is so good to see you. I'm speaking today with Ulrich Investment Consultants, and I'm happy to have you on our show because you're going to help our viewers get their financial lives in check and really learn more about what investments look like and how to properly assess how they want to invest their money. Thank you so much for being with us today.
It's our pleasure. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, and so John, I would love to talk to you the difference between a wealth manager and an investment broker. Can you break down what those two aspects are and what the differences are?
Sure, that's a really good question. I think a real critical one, as many people, hold themselves out as financial advisors, but there's distinct differences between how those services are being provided and the level of care they're providing. At the end of the day, investment brokers are providing services, but those services are driven by a compensation structure that could lead to potential conflicts of interest because they're compensated based on products that their firms sell.
Yeah, and as wealth advisors, it's our job to give independent, holistic financial advice that covers all aspects of their lives. So we really get intimate with our clients. We need to understand their goals, their wishes, their time horizon, their risk tolerance, their estate planning, as well as charitable goals. And we incorporate that all into creating a successful plan for them.
Tell me a little bit how you work with individuals, with your clients, to educate them more and think more long-term instead of those crazy bursts of tighter risk factors when it comes to trading.
As certified financial planners, our job is to develop a long-term roadmap, a strategic asset allocation, an investment policy, and a really well thought out plan that helps you develop a very successful long-term financial future.
How would you encourage someone who wants to see that instant gratification and maybe seeing their friends or other people finding success in quick trading and high-risk situations? How would you encourage them that the long-term path is better?
Well, history is a really good guide. Day traders don't generally have long careers, and successful investors really take a much more longer-term approach.
People are often very concerned about how the markets are going to respond, whether they're going to go up or down. How do you work with clients to make sure that they are on the up and up and know exactly what they're getting into?
Really, again, it's about creating a long-term plan, and then the three steps to the process. You plan, you develop a long-term asset allocation, you then implement a correct asset allocation strategy, and you monitor to make sure things are on track, and that's a continual process we employ.
If someone's watching right now and they really do want to get started, what sets you apart from other people who may be trying to offer the same services? What just makes you stand out?
Well, I think what we call ourselves is we're the financial architect of our clients' lives. So when you're building a house, you want to hire the best plumber, the best electrician, the best roofer. You don't want that house to leak and you don't want that foundation to crumble. And so that is essentially what we do, is we go out and find the best subcontractors, or in this case, the best portfolio managers, to fill every asset class in your portfolio and create a sound long-term investment approach. And then again, what we do is we advocate for our clients, and so we negotiate on behalf of our clients the fees and some of the minimums with these managers so that they have access to world-class investments at a fraction of the cost. They can reach us on our website at ulrichcg.com, and you can also follow us on LinkedIn at Ulrich Investment Consultants.